If you're looking for smart and simple ways to boost your income, the weekends can be a goldmine of opportunity. With a little creativity and a willingness to put in some effort, you can turn your spare time into a chance to earn extra cash. Many people overlook just how much they can achieve in a few hours, but even small steps can add up to meaningful financial gains. Weekends are perfect for trying new income streams without interfering with your weekday commitments. This video will highlight practical and actionable ideas that cater to various interests, schedules, and skill levels. These include pet sitting, selling handmade crafts, and more. You'll find a variety of options that fit your lifestyle and financial goals. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Pet sitting or dog walking. Caring for pets is a great way to earn money while spending time with animals. Many owners need someone trustworthy to walk their dogs or look after their pets when they are busy. Apps like Rover or reaching out to your local community can help you connect with pet owners in need. Earnings typically range between $15 and $30 an hour, with additional opportunities to build lasting relationships with repeat clients. Showing care and professionalism can lead to glowing referrals, making this a reliable weekend income source. Number 2. Freelance writing or editing. If you have a knack for writing or a sharp eye for detail, freelance projects can be an effective way to earn extra cash. Clients often look for help with blog posts, articles, or editing tasks through platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Rates typically start around $20 per project, but can increase for specialized topics or skilled editing. A small portfolio showcasing your work can help attract clients quickly. This option is ideal for anyone seeking a flexible side gig that can be done at home. Number 3. Selling handmade crafts or artwork. Turning your creative talents into a source of income can be rewarding and enjoyable. Handmade items like jewelry, candles, or art pieces are always in demand on platforms like Etsy or at local markets. Weekend earnings can range from $50 to $200, depending on your product and marketing efforts. Eye-catching product photos and detailed descriptions can help attract buyers. This option not only generates income, but also allows you to share your passion with others. Number 4. Driving for rideshare or delivery apps. Using your car to drive for services like Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash can help you earn extra income with flexible hours. Weekend demand is often higher, particularly during events or mealtimes, which can lead to increased earnings of $15 to $25 per hour or more with tips. Planning your schedule around peak times ensures you maximize your efforts. Keeping your car well-maintained and providing excellent service can result in positive ratings and more opportunities. Number 5. Hosting a garage sale or selling online. Clearing out unused items is a simple way to make extra money while decluttering your home. A well-organized garage sale can bring in anywhere between $100 and $500 over a weekend. For wider reach, consider listing items on platforms like Facebook Marketplace. Pricing items reasonably and advertising in your neighborhood can help attract buyers quickly. This is a practical way to earn cash while creating more space at home. Number 6. Babysitting or nannying. Taking care of children is a reliable weekend job that many parents are eager to hire for. Families often need someone dependable for a few hours, and babysitters typically earn $15 to $25 an hour, with rates higher for those with certifications like CPR training. You can find opportunities through community boards, care.com, or local social groups. Being punctual and engaging with children can help build trust and secure repeat bookings. Number 7. Photography services. If you have a camera and an eye for detail, photography can be a lucrative way to earn money. Many people need photographers for portraits, events, or family photos. Charging $50 to $200 per session is common for weekend gigs, depending on the service provided. A portfolio showcasing your previous work can attract clients and build credibility. Offering discounts to first-time clients or referrals can help you grow your side business quickly. Number 8. Tutoring. Tutoring is an effective way to share your knowledge while earning a steady income. Whether it's academic subjects, test preparation, or teaching music, tutors often earn between $20 and $50 an hour. Platforms like Wyzant or local advertisements can connect you with students looking for guidance. Success in this role comes through preparation, clear communication, and tailoring lessons to the students' needs. It's a fulfilling way to earn money while helping others achieve their goals. Number 9. Renting out equipment. If you have tools, cameras, or other valuable items sitting idle, renting them out can turn them into a source of income. Online services make it easy to connect with renters in your area. Items like power tools, audio equipment, or photography gear can bring in $50 to $200 over a weekend. Maintaining the equipment in good condition and creating clear rental terms ensures a smooth experience. Offering popular or high-demand items can boost your earnings consistently. Number 10. Participating in focus groups. Companies are always eager to hear consumer opinions about their products or services, and focus groups are one way they collect feedback. These sessions often pay $20 to $100 for your time, with some lasting only an hour or two. Signing up with reputable research companies like Respondent or local market research firms can give you access to these opportunities. Being articulate and prepared for discussions increases your chances of selection. Focus groups are a straightforward and enjoyable way to earn while sharing your perspective. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. Number 11. Renting out a room or property. If you have an extra room or property, platforms like Airbnb offer an excellent way to generate extra income. Hosting short-term stays during weekends can bring in $50 to $200 per night, based on your location and amenities. Creating a clean, welcoming space with accurate listings and attractive photos will draw more bookings. Providing a great guest experience often results in positive reviews, leading to increased demand. This approach not only generates cash, but also introduces you to people visiting your area. Number 12. Offering lawn care or gardening services. Helping neighbors with lawn care or gardening tasks can be a straightforward way to earn extra cash. Mowing lawns, trimming hedges, or planting flowers are tasks many people are willing to pay for. Rates typically range between $20 and $50 per hour, and clients often appreciate reliable, hardworking service. Promoting yourself through local community groups or flyers can help secure consistent weekend work. With basic tools and attention to detail, you can quickly build a solid reputation. Number 13. Becoming a virtual assistant. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need help with tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, or organizing data. Virtual assistants can earn $15 to $30 per hour while working remotely during the weekend. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with potential clients, making it easy to find projects that fit your skills. Having good communication and organizational abilities will help you stand out. Virtual assisting provides a flexible option to earn while developing new skills. Number 14. Car washing and detailing. Offering car cleaning and detailing services is a profitable and practical way to make money over the weekend. Clients appreciate the convenience of someone coming to their home to clean their vehicles. Charging $20 to $50 per car based on the level of service can lead to significant earnings in just a few hours. Promoting your services within your community can attract steady clients. Delivering thorough and professional results often leads to repeat business. Number 15. Selling baked goods or snacks. If you enjoy baking or cooking, selling homemade treats can turn your passion into a weekend moneymaker. Popular items like cookies, cakes, or savory snacks are always in demand at local markets or among friends and neighbors. Weekend sales can bring in $50 to $200, with potential for more as your reputation grows. Packaging your goods attractively and using social media for promotion can help expand your reach. With quality and consistency, your side hustle could grow into something bigger. Number 16. Offering tech support. Helping people with their tech issues is a valuable and often overlooked way to earn extra income. Many struggle with tasks like setting up devices, troubleshooting software, or improving home Wi-Fi networks. Charging $20 to $50 per hour for assistance can quickly add up during a weekend. Advertising your expertise locally or through social media can connect you with potential clients. Providing clear, easy-to-understand solutions can make you a trusted resource in your community. Number 17. Organizing or decluttering services. Helping others organize their homes or workspaces is a rewarding way to earn extra money. Many people struggle with decluttering and appreciate a helping hand to create a more functional space. Charging $25 to $50 per hour for this service can be highly rewarding both financially and personally. Advertising through local networks or online community groups can bring in clients quickly. Attention to detail and understanding client needs will make your services stand out. Number 18. Renting out your car. If your car is sitting idle over the weekend, renting it out through platforms like Turo can generate income. Rentals typically earn $30 to $100 per day, with higher rates for premium or well-maintained vehicles. Keeping your car clean and in good condition helps attract renters and build trust. Offering a smooth, hassle-free experience often leads to repeat customers and positive reviews. This approach allows you to make money while your car would otherwise remain unused. Number 19. Cleaning services. Offering cleaning services for homes or offices is always in demand and can be a reliable way to earn. Rates usually range between $20 and $40 per hour, depending on the tasks and size of the space. Promoting your services through word of mouth or local advertisements can secure clients quickly. Providing thorough and efficient cleaning often leads to referrals and repeat business. This straightforward option allows you to earn while helping others maintain their spaces. Number 20. Hosting classes or workshops. Sharing your knowledge or skills through workshops can be both enjoyable and profitable. Teaching anything from painting to yoga or DIY crafts can bring in $100 or more per session. Advertising locally or online helps attract participants eager to learn something new. Offering a welcoming and engaging environment ensures attendees leave satisfied and spread the word. This option not only generates income, but also builds a sense of community and connection. Start earning on your weekends. Finding ways to boost your income doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. With these options, your weekends can become a productive and profitable time. Leveraging your skills, renting out resources, or offering valuable services, small efforts can create a big financial impact. Many of these ideas allow you to set your own schedule and enjoy flexibility. As you take action, the extra cash can help you reach goals faster or simply provide more breathing room. Choose the opportunities that fit your lifestyle and start making the most of your weekends today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.